a nice easy breath in through your nose. Good. And you can close. Good.
Sharzad,
Yes, Susan.
what comes to mind when I say dry eyes?
I think of that commercial with that guy who is just really dry himself. He was like, I use clear eyes. And I think of like all the things that I would use back in the day, Visine clear eyes, to like put in my eyes to get them not to be dry and not to be red, and they were always red because I was smoking a doobie down by the river. And that's what you would do when you didn't want your parents or like a teacher to know you were high
Yeah,
AF.
it's actually true. That's what I think of. There aren't many treatments that you can do besides like some kind of an eye drop that you can't use all the time because it makes it worse.
But wait, Susan, there is something that we can do,
there
and
something,
we're
Sharzad?
gonna do it today, and I'm so excited about this treatment.
You guys, today we're gonna see Julie Bernier. She is an Ayurvedic practitioner, which already is super cool.
Yes.
We're gonna get Netra Basti done, which basically means that we're gonna put ghee in our eyes.
You guys, we're putting ghee in our eyes, and we're in Malibu, and everything is fabulous, and I'm so excited. We made ghee on the SASS once upon a time, but now we're putting ghee in our eyes.
Different ghee.
Different kind of ghee.
Different.
Yeah, but it's gonna be amazing.
Awesome.
You ready?
I'm scared.
You ready?
And I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Let's go. Julie, I'm so excited. I want to say it, Netra Basti.
Netra Basti.
Netra Basti.
It sounds so cool.
Okay, so walk us through it. Like, let's explain as if somebody who's watching this doesn't know what Ayurvedic beauty is, Ayurveda.
So Ayurveda is a system of holistic medicine and also a lifestyle from ancient India. And I like to tell people that if your body were a machine, Ayurveda is like an instruction manual that teaches you how to take care of your body, how to take care of your mind and your soul so that you're your happiest, healthiest self.
And you're your prettiest and your most
Yes.
like
Because we look at you
vibrant
and
looking
you
self.
look so glowy.
Glowy,
and
I
happy
know,
and
like
Thank
the
you, thank you.
energy is
Beautiful,
radiating.
yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Well, beauty is kind of a side effect of your inner health.
True that.
So when you're healthy on the inside, then you radiate on the outside, and your eyes are clear, and your hair is healthy, and your skin looks good. So today I'm gonna make a dough, like a dam of dough, basically.
Dough dam. Got
Dough
it.
dam around your eyes. So that's sealed to your face, and then I fill it with a medicated ghee.
Oh my God.
Medicated ghee. So it's a
Medicated
little
ghee.
bit different than the stuff you eat.
It is. You can eat it, but we're using this one for the external treatment. So it's a ghee that has Ayurvedic herbs cooked into it. So it's
Okay.
really deeply infused with those herbs that are good for your eyes.
All right.
So the ghee's melted, and then I pour it in the dam, and then you're going to be lying down with this dam on your eyes, and then you open your eyes to let ghee in.
Okay.
Right. And we will have no eye makeup on. We'll take all our eye makeup off,
Yeah.
so no like mascara gets all up in that ghee.
Exactly.
Right.
It can burn a little bit,
Okay.
but it's more like irritation.
Okay.
Most
Okay.
people say it's not like fiery. It just feels like you have ghee in your eyes
Okay.
because you do.
Yeah, I was actually researching treatments because I feel like I have a lot of eye problems. I have dry eyes. We sleep with the fan on. I'm constantly in my phone and my computer. People on the internet tell me that I have really bloodshot eyes.
Oh.
And so I was looking for treatments for stuff like this, and I found you. And I was excited because supposedly this is going to help that, right?
It does actually, yeah.
Okay.
It's very good for bloodshot eyes. It's very good for dry eyes. So if you can imagine, your eyes are completely soaked in ghee, in like an oily substance. And oil is the opposite of dryness.
Right.
So it's a very good treatment for dry eyes, and then also it takes away some of that redness.
Who else would want to do this besides someone like me who's got dry eyes?
Yeah, so if you are losing your vision, it's a really amazing treatment for
Really?
help.
So cool.
With these external treatments, we usually also work on the inside. So
Okay.
there are herbs for the eyes
Okay.
to help with vision as well.
So who should avoid this?
Yeah.
So if you have a cold, if you have fever, any kind of eye infection, or a lot of burning, then you don't do the treatment.
How many treatments would we normally need to see a difference?
Between 5 and 7.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah. Traditionally, Ayurvedic treatments are given in consecutive days.
Oh, okay.
So
Like
we,
one right after, like we would come back the next
Sunday,
few
Monday,
days.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay, we'll see you every day this week. So we have to take our eye makeup off fully.
Yeah.
And then we're ready to ghee.
Let's go take our makeup off.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm excited.
Okay.
All right, so we're about to get started on Sharzad. You're gonna do the dough, right? And what is the dough made of?
Made from black gram flour.
Okay.
So it's a type of lentil.
Okay.
And we use that dough for this treatment and then some other Ayurvedic treatments because it has kind of like a warming medicinal effect. And it's
So we
very
got-
sticky, so it's good for sealing.
We got like lentils and butter. So can I eat this?
Yes, honestly, pretty much everything we put on the body in Ayurveda, you could also eat.
Oh.
That makes me happy.
If you can't eat it, don't put it on your skin.
Yeah,
That's the
I like
Ayurvedic
that.
way.
Well, I'm going to
Yeah.
leave you to it so we can get
Okay.
started.
Okay.
I can't wait to see. Guys, whoa. Okay, first off, she has her ghee goggles on.
Yes.
That took a little while. That wasn't that long. You made it seem like it was gonna take. I felt like it was gonna be an hour or
No, it
something,
was
but it was like 10
15
minutes.
minutes.
15.
So
Yeah.
relaxed
Yeah.
right now.
Already?
You're
Oh
chill,
my God.
relaxed.
So chill.
And
Okay.
now I smell the ghee.
Yes.
So it's a little bit more of like a golden, dark, like amber color.
Yeah, from the herbs that are cooked into
Okay.
it. So the ghee has a very distinct smell.
Is it warm?
It's warm. It's
Can I feel the
very
bowl?
slightly
Oh
warm.
yeah, it is slightly warm. Okay.
Yeah. So keep your eyes closed, and I'm gonna start with your right eye.
Here we go. So you're using cotton balls. Is that normal? Like that's like
Yeah,
a normal
like a
reaction, right? You're like, whoa, whoa.
A little
whoa.
shock. How's that temperature?
Great.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do your left eye.
Your eyes are covered in ghee.
I want to talk and I want to smile, but I can't.
No, don't move any at all.
Actually, now we're gonna have her open.
Oh wait, what?
Go ahead and open.
Oh my
Good,
God.
Good. That's fine, just a blink.
Oh, weird.
So it's so much more different when you open it.
Yeah.
You don't have
Now-
to open them if you don't like. But
Now there's a little bit of like the burny.
that's fine. That's normal. That's just from the ghee going in. Okay. I'm gonna feel the cotton ball.
All right.
So is this how you soak it up?
Yep.
Oh, interesting. You use the same cotton pads to just soak it back up.
Yep.
Interesting.
They soak up all ghee.
Right. Done-ish. You still have to peel it off. All right, so you cleaned her up. She's a little bit red, but we all know how Sharzad is. Her skin is a little bit sensitive.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna have her rest for a few minutes while I clean up and get ready for your treatment.
Okay. out of this eye right now. This eye has a little bit of a film over it, but it feels really good to me right now. I feel so relaxed.
Right after I finished it, it like took me a minute to like come to. But since I watched you get yours, I feel like I'm awake now.
Right. Usually, Sharzad is the more sensitive one. So in this case, she happened to be the more sensitive one. So she felt more irritation than I did.
Yes,
I just felt like a very, very slight irritation.
I felt a little bit of irritation, nothing I couldn't handle.
Definitely chill out. It's probably better that you do this on your own, which is normally what happens.
Right.
You don't end up with like a crew here because we have everybody like
watching all of it, our business,
yeah, we're here
business.
together and stuff. So obviously it'd be a different experience with you. You'd be alone with Julie, and it would be awesome, I think.
It would be even more zen. If you guys are curious about this treatment and you want to get it done, they usually start around $100, but Julie customizes everything for you.
Yeah.
So it's kind of hard to throw out one exact price because you'll come in here and she'll really help you decide what you need. Ayurvedic beauty is all customizable. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of the SASS. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and
don't forget to join our private Facebook group. It's called Beauty and Wellness Questions Answered. We'll leave a link below. You can also watch our next video.
It's really fun because we're in it. You guys can go on a SASS binge. All of us.
Binge away, you guys. There's even an episode on Ghee.
There's so many videos that you can watch.
Videos.
We're fun, we promise. Yeah. Have a great day.
I can see off the side now.
Yay, Ghee.